Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping both devices. This saves time and prevents errors. Plug a known good USB cable into the Mazda's USB port labeled with phone icon. This initializes the wired Android Auto handshake. On your phone, unlock the screen and grant Android Auto permission prompts. This is necessary because the car requests access to contacts, messages, and audio. Once done, the head unit will detect the phone and show the Android Auto logo. Make sure to accept the connection on the dash to proceed. Once the initial handshake appears, you complete the pairing and setup. Tap Android Auto on the Mazda Connect screen, then on your phone tap Accept for required permissions. This enables navigation, calls, and media to stream through the head unit. Make sure Android Auto is set as the default projection app in phone settings. Otherwise, the phone may revert to basic Bluetooth audio. If your CX-5 supports wireless Android Auto, enable car Wi-Fi and Bluetooth simultaneously, and select the vehicle network when prompted for a wireless link. You finish by verifying core functions. Start navigation, make a call, and play audio to confirm controls and voice commands work properly. If something breaks, unplug and try a different cable or USB port. Soft reboot your phone and the Mazda infotainment system because many issues clear with a restart. Also, make sure both Android Auto and Mazda Connect firmware are up to date. Updates fix compatibility and security problems. One key troubleshooting tip: try a certified cable before deeper diagnostic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.